Ray KD2YBP. This is the inner workings of a RCA VH126N antenna rotator. It's kind of meant for small, like Yagi type antennas for UHF, VHF for picking up TV signals. But I'm using it to rotate a KIO hex beam antenna. It's probably a lot to ask from this unit, but let me see how it works. I had to kind of take it apart and lube it up, clean it out, lube it up. It got hung up, but it seems to be running fairly smooth now. And I hit it with some gun oil, compressed air, and then followed up with some synthetic axle grease. Keep everything running smooth. Let's see how we do with it. I wish I would have known it was malfunctioning before I put it in the air with the hex beam. But of course, hindsight is always 20/20. Let's get it in the air and see what it does.